Do you want to uninstall this app? No need to uninstall, just compress. Ooh, wow. Wow. Don't make thumbnail maker for YouTube. Compressed. Access your app from the phone menu. Got it. Blah blah. Alright guys, today I got a special app for you guys. I'm going to show you how to delete apps without uninstalling them. Just like no need to uninstall the apps, just so you can access it anytime with step on. As you can see, this is the thumbnail maker that I just showed you. See, it's compressed. If I want to uncompress, I just tap on it, and then this comes up uncompressed. Thumbnail maker for YouTube, but nah. So it's just here. So I'm going to show you how to do it. The link to get it, the link is in the description below. Alright guys, the link is in the description below. So you never uninstall apps. Click on the link and you get over, you reach here. Tap on download APK. Then say downloading. After you're done downloading it and installing it, click on open, then open it. And then this comes up. As you can see, my phone score is 92. So apps that you see 15 apps not compressed, 15 apps compressed, and the apps that compressed are 2.3 gigabytes, and the apps that has not compressed is using 3.3 gigabytes. Let's scan it, press on scan. By the way, you have to allow there's some things there. Then you can show you apps that you might want to compress. As you can see, these are the ones that have low. So this PayPal, medium usage, high usage app, they say not suggested. As you can see, all this. And then let me just choose a few for you guys. Let me just choose one. Choose to compress. Yeah, you don't really need to watch ads. You need to watch an ad to compress from here directly. Yeah. But you can simply. Alright, I'll show you the.
We are ready to order. 我们可以开始点菜了。
Alright guys, after watching the ad, it's automatically. Come on, another ad. Seriously. Alright, after watching the ads, it's automatically compressed. Just leave it to do everything by itself. As you can see, 2.4 gigabytes saved. So now I have 2.4 gigabyte free space. So you can see it's fully compressed, and you can just tap on it and say uncompressed. So, or also if you guys want to do it directly from here, you just do this. Okay guys, let me show you most of my compressed apps. As you can see I have lots of apps compressed. Dream League 2020, Do Theft World, GTA 5. League. I'm just going to add most of it. So create a new folder, edit folder, add for the compact files. So let's make a daily space here. Press add. Boom, it's added. See, so now all your compressed files are in a folder, and the name of that place is compressed, so you can make a folder and put it so to make your Alright guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below for my next video. Drop a like and share. Thanks.